Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Talk English Now. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Mateo. We're very happy to be here with you today.
Yes, very happy. And today's topic is super important. Today, we will talk about your daily routine, your everyday life, the things you do every day.
This topic is great for beginners because we all have a routine. We all wake up, we all eat, we all work or study, we all go to bed. So today we will learn how to say these things in simple English.
And we will speak slowly, with short sentences and easy words.
And don't worry, we will repeat many things. Repetition helps you learn.
Exactly. And today we'll also ask you to repeat some words and phrases. So get ready to practice with us.
Let's start our episode. How to talk about your daily routine in English.
Okay, let's begin with the morning. Morning is the first part of your day. So let's talk about what you do in the morning.
Yes, so Olivia, let me ask you, what time do you wake up?
Good question. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day, 7 in the morning.
Nice. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. A little earlier.
So let's teach the listener the words wake up.
Yes. Wake up means to stop sleeping, to open your eyes and start your day.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Again, wake up.
Great. Now let's practice a sentence. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
Good. One more time. I wake up at 7.
Perfect. Now, after I wake up, I usually stretch a little. I move my arms, I move my legs. Very slow, very easy.
That's nice. I open my eyes, and the first thing I do is look at the clock. I check the time.
Let's teach a useful phrase. I get up.
Yes, get up is different from wake up. Wake up means you are no longer sleeping. Get up means you stand up or leave your bed.
Exactly. So sometimes you wake up, but stay in bed for 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or 20 minutes.
Yes, this happens a lot. So let's practice. Repeat after me. Get up.
Again, get up.
Perfect. Now a full sentence. I get up at 7.
Good. One more time. I get up at 7.
Okay, now you wake up, you get up. What do you do next?
Well, first I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Great daily actions. Let's teach the phrase, brush my teeth.
Yes, simple words. Repeat after me. Brush my teeth.
Again, brush my teeth.
Perfect. I also wash my face. So let's practice that. Wash my face.
Again, wash my face.
Great. Now let's make a short sentence. I brush my teeth.
And another one. I wash my face.
Now, some people take a shower in the morning. Some people take a shower at night. Some people take a shower 2 times a day.
True. I usually take a shower in the morning.
But I take a shower at night. So let's practice the phrase. Take a shower.
Repeat after me. Take a shower.
Again, take a shower.
Now let's talk about breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Mateo, what do you eat for breakfast?
Well, I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I drink coffee. Sometimes I drink tea.
I like toast and yogurt, and I love coffee. Coffee helps me wake up.
Let's teach useful sentences for breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast.
Again, I eat breakfast.
Now let's learn. I drink coffee.
And again, I drink coffee.
What about I eat fruit?
Again, I eat fruit. Okay, now it's time to talk about going to work or school. After breakfast, we start our day outside.
That's right. So let's teach the phrase, go to work.
Repeat after me. Go to work.
Again, go to work.
Now the phrase, go to school.
Repeat, go to school.
One more time. Go to school.
Perfect. Now let's give examples.
I go to work at 9. I go to work by bus. I go to work by car. I go to work on foot.
Nice. Let's practice the simple sentence, I go to work.
Now a question you can ask someone. What time do you go to work?
And the same idea for school. I go to school at 8.
Okay, now let's talk about your day at work or at school.
Yes, at work, I read emails, I talk to people, I write messages, I go to meetings, I work on my computer.
At school, students study, read books, write sentences, and listen to the teacher.
Let's practice some basic phrases.
Repeat after me. I work.
Again, I work.
Now, I study.
Again, I study.
Perfect.
What about lunchtime?
Oh yes, lunch is important. Lunch gives you energy.
Let's teach I eat lunch.
Again, I eat lunch.
After work or school, you finish your responsibilities for the day.
Yes, and you go home.
I go home.
Now, what do you do when you get home?
Well, I relax. I rest. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. I listen to music.
Nice. I also like to relax. Sometimes I clean my house, sometimes I cook dinner, sometimes I read a book.
Let's practice some phrases.
Repeat after me. I relax.
Again, I relax.
Now, I watch TV.
Again, I watch TV.
Now, I listen to music.
Let's talk about dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day.
Repeat. I eat dinner.
Again, I eat dinner.
After dinner, many people relax more. They watch a movie, talk to family, scroll on their phone, and do simple things.
Some people study English, like you listening to this podcast.
Yes, this moment right now is part of your routine.
Let's practice the phrase, I study English.
Repeat. I study English. Okay. Now, the last part of the day. Nighttime.
Yes. At night, we need to rest. We need sleep.
Exactly. Before bed, I brush my teeth. And sometimes I read.
Before bed, I take a shower. And I turn off my phone.
Useful phrase. Go to bed.
Repeat after me. Go to bed.
Again. Go to bed.
And another phrase, go to sleep.
Again. Go to sleep. Now let's put everything together in a simple daily routine.
I will say one, then you, Olivia, say another.
Perfect.
Here is example 1. I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I work. I eat lunch. I go home. I relax. I eat dinner. I go to bed. I go to sleep.
Great. Now here is example 2. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I drink coffee. I go to school. I study English. I eat lunch with friends. I go home at 5. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed at 10. Now it's your turn. I will say a sentence. You repeat.
Let's begin.
Repeat. I wake up.
Repeat. I get up.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I eat breakfast.
Repeat. I go to work.
Repeat. I go to school.
Repeat. I go home.
Repeat. I eat dinner.
Repeat. I go to sleep. Okay, let's review today's important words.
Say them with us.
Wake up.
Get up.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to school.
Work.
Study.
Eat lunch.
Go home.
Relax.
Watch TV.
Eat dinner.
Go to bed.
Go to sleep.
Thank you so much for listening to our podcast today.
We hope this episode helped you learn simple English for your daily routine.
Remember, short sentences, easy words, repeat a lot.
Practice every day. A little bit every day is enough.
We're proud of you. You're doing great.
See you in the next episode of Talk English Now.